Well, this is the main western entrance to the Tower of London, and this is where the Royal Menagerie was from the 13th century right up until the 19th century. Here, lots of exotic animals were kept, including lions, and we can see the drawbridge you would have crossed to come in. You would have had to walk through a tower which isn't there any longer, and then turn in the way that you do today. So all these visitors walking down here now, in the past would have had to walk past lions. Initially, the animals are here really as status symbols. It shows the incredible wealth of the monarchy that they can have these exotic animals here. And also they're even taken on campaign. When the king goes and attacks Scotland, he does actually take his lions with him. Extraordinary, you know, they are these walking embodiments of the power of the English monarchy. It would have been open to the public basically by paying the guard to come in. We have records from the 14th century onwards of people coming to visit the lions, people paying the lion keeper to see them being fed. But by the 17th century, it's officially an area that's being used for lion baiting. We found a lot of mastiff skulls here. They've got dogs and bears and different animal fighting, really, that people are betting on. The King, King James, is very keen on this and has a special platform constructed, so it's kind of like an auditorium and people can come and watch these animal fights. Animal baiting is really, you let loose two wild animals to attack each other. They're using dogs particularly to bait bears, so you have a bear versus 6 or 7 mastiffs, sort of really vicious dogs, very strong jaws, you know, the type of dogs where they bite and they don't let go. And so here, if you like, it's a VIP experience where it's not bears versus dogs, but it's lions versus dogs. The Royal Menagerie was here at the Tower of London for over 700 years. It closed in the 1830s. Really, the Duke of Wellington, the Iron Duke, Napoleonic Wars, who was Constable of the Tower of London, was not very keen on the menagerie being here. It was very smelly, it was very distracting. The animals from here were transferred to the new London Zoo up in Regent's Park. So they formed part of the basis of the new Zoological Society, today's London Zoo.